Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a GUI operating system in ComputerCraft. Well, it isn't an operating system since we're not creating all the APIs and all the stuff by ourselves, but a little bit more extending Craft OS to a GUI version. I'm going to do all the coding in Sublime Text. It's basically just a different way to code in ComputerCraft. It's much easier. So, this computer is 0, and I already created a folder called root, and in there we created a file called OS. Let's see. Oops, I'm sorry about that. Else, root. You can see. Okay, so first let's begin. We're going to need variables, but first I'm gonna make this Lua. Okay. We're gonna need variables, and here we're gonna have functions. Running functions. So this is going to be the main three systems: variables, functions, and then running the functions. The functions, we will try to do them as neat as possible, since we're going to have to make this as optimized. Like, you will understand later. Right now we ain't going to need these variables, since they will come as we go. And also this is a pretty big project, so I'm going to make different episodes in this. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to try to explain what we're doing as we go. We're going to need a function called draw desk or something. Basically this function, what it's doing, it's going to draw the background. Okay, so let's create a background. Okay, I'm going to call it backgr, like background. And then you can pin it however you want. Right now I'm gonna make this. It's gonna be a little bit like Windows. What is it? Windows Vista? No, not Windows Vista. I don't remember. It's like an old version where the default wallpaper was like this blue. It was pretty old. Okay. You can make the background however you want, and basically have it. Well, it isn't much to explain right here, but it's just simple. Create a background. Okay, when we're done that, we're going to see on here. I've saved it. But you could create something more. I'm just going to create, I don't know, like this, this, that, this, 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 that, this, this. Just going to do something like that. I don't know, make a fire. I'm actually going to set this color as, okay, I don't know, something like that. Blah 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 blah. That could be the background. You do it however you want. So now I've done that. You're going to see like you can't paint down here and on this side. That's why you're going to have to add the same number as you had on the top and same number as here. But we're going to make 2 rows since okay. Save that, and without saving this, just exit. Or if you were using Sublime Text, you could do that. Otherwise, if you ain't, you can in Sublime Text. You don't worry, you can do all this by yourself. It's just a little bit more difficult since it's gonna look something like this. But it's basically no difference. It's just neater and easier. Okay, right now we can see the root. We have OS, it doesn't do anything without a function. So let's put something in this function. We're gonna need desk image equals paint utils dot load image. I think load image back gear. So now we're loading the image as a variable disk image. Now we're going to have to draw it. Then you're going to do paint utils that draw image. Then you do disk image x and y coordinates. Now we've done that, we basically have a function draw desk. So that's pretty simple right now. We do OS. Oh wait, we need to call it. We don't put that in running functions. We're going to call it draw desk. Bear with me, I may have a, oh no. Okay, it works. You can see my ugly background right there. Okay, so now it works. Now we need to, well, we doesn't, well, you could have it like this and you have, oh yeah, you can see. So now we need a function called main. This function is basically the core of this application. It's the one that will handle all the input, what to do if it's a mouse click here or there. Yeah, so that's gonna be called the function main. That's the most important function. So in function main we're going to have let's do if we let's make a menu right here. So we're going to need a function called menu. Function menu. Sorry, menu. In the function menu we do print menu. Oh yeah, right. Function draw menu. Print menu at term that set cursor pose 101. This is misspelled. So cursor pose 101. Print menu. So basically we need to draw the menu before we can click on it. That's obvious. So in draw disk we're going to also call draw menu. Okay. So now let's wait. Oh look, we got an error. 23. Oh, we have 2 ends. That's OS. Oops, that's not the application OS. Now you can see we can have a menu. but it's pretty hard to like see, and probably want to have something to like recognize it somehow, or like see it better. So then we could do term that's it. Term that's it. Back colors that gray. And we can do here term that clear line. No, I don't want to percentage. What's oh look, we got an error. Let's see. Term that set background color. Oh, we cannot have a big S there. See, now this looks much better. And yeah. So now we have draw menu. Now we need the function that is the menu. Function menu. So this is going to act. This is the function for handling, or like going to like print what the menu when you click here. After the main has detected that you click here, it's going to call this function. Okay. So first, let's just make the main call this function. So event button x y equals was that pull event that if event equals to mouse underscore click, then print test and oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened there. Print test. Yeah, I mean, we're going to have to call function main after all this. What? Oh, also we need a while true do here. Since sorry about the zombie. It's Minecraft. Let's just fix that real quick. Go away, zombie. Oh, no. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. I know what happened. It's too quick. Let's just make this simple. I'm not going to make this. Okay. So this is also pretty good that you test things, since this could you need to learn. Okay, now we have this. It's going to be if button equals 1 then if x equals to, let's just see the rule quick. Okay, so now this is important. We need to know this. So if actually y equal to, come on, it's because they have the infinity loop. Okay. Let's just do that. This is just getting like unnecessary. Oh, okay. If y equals to 1 and x is okay, that's how it works. Oh, we can't do this right now since x is 1 or is more or equal to 1 and x is less and equal to, then let's just do this. Let's just do that. Okay. Right now, you can see the okay. Right now it gets black because we can't actually have a while true do, since it will all. Okay, so this is better. It will check. Okay. Then if let's count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this means if x is 1 or more and x is less or equal to 6, and the y is equal to 1, that means you can only click up here. You can only click on 1 or more, but can only click on 6 or less. That will keep it up here and in here. Okay, now we have to do the function menu. So let's set. Oh wait, let's do that in another episode. I'm just going to show you what happens. Print so now I click here, and now I click here. You see what I mean? Oh, and also if it, I don't know, somehow exit this loop whenever, we're going to have to do main. So now click somewhere. I'm actually clicking right now. You can hear it. And I click here. And if you right click, it doesn't even work. Okay, so that's everything for today. I will just go briefly through this. So we have a function draw desk. This is going to draw this desk, and actually going to be called every time we're going to do a clear. Instead of doing term.clear, we're going to use function draw desks. Since, oh wait, we need to turn to clear actually. Since term.clear will only clear this and only make it inefficient. So draw desk. So that's why I'm actually just going to show you how, instead of term.clear, we're going to use draw desk. And it's actually going to be so quick you're not going to notice the see, I'm actually clicking, but you're not noticing it. That's why I'm going to have to do a sleep 1 and then reboot OS, clicking, and it reappears. See what I mean? But if I was going to do a term.clear, do this, and you see what I mean. I can still click up here, but look, it only goes like, yeah, you see what I mean. So term that clear is not going to work in a GUI so much. You're barely using it. And also functions are your friend in GUI or every time, because yeah, they're just okay. So that was everything today. We made a function, draw desk, draw menu, and the main. We're going to continue on this and actually make it a functional real menu. And yeah, see you later.